Orbit Thyrexion, a planet without satellites, without sound, only gravity and the void around it. We're still in orbit. The surface looks cracked, layered, as if holding its breath. I'm going down. Atmosphere, thin but stable. The shuttle doesn't shake. The air doesn't push back. First walk. I'm outside now. Rocks stretch for kilometers. Nothing moves. This place feels untouched, like time isn't allowed to pass here. I've entered a cavern. It opens into cliffs and towers. The view is vast, silent, and strangely beautiful. There is life here, not the same as on Earth. There is some algae growing on the rocks, a strange form. I wonder if they need light to grow. Unusual stones. Zofu are... You recording this? These stones. They're shaped. No wind did this. They look carved, like monuments no one remembers. A skeleton, thin, twisted, fragile, and unmistakably designed, fossilized, maybe ancient, maybe the last of its kind, a trace of someone who was here long before I arrived.
Stellar to ship, transmitting pickup coordinates now.
Thyrexion is beautiful, quiet and lonely, but it doesn't feel abandoned. It feels paused. I'm heading out. Zofu, mark this one. I'm not done with Thyrexion, and I don't think it's done with me.